Hi, my name is Robin Lewis, and this is Cool Tool Tuesday. Today we are looking at a pretty cool product from Milescraft. This is called the SandPlane, and it is a profile sanding kit. So it takes the idea of a sanding block where you would traditionally take a block of wood and wrap a piece of sandpaper around it. It takes that and sort of pumps it up with steroids and adds a whole bunch of cool new features to it. So it's a simple pack that comes with a hand sort of sander, like a block sander, but to that you can attach different profiles. It comes with a flat surface, a concave, a convex, and a triangular surface. So if you want to try and get into some tight spaces and you need all of these different profiles, this is probably going to be the one for you. Something else that's pretty cool is that it uses traditional hook and loop disc pads. So instead of using a normal piece of paper, back sandpaper, where your grip is what's stopping that paper from shifting around, this one uses hook and loop pads. So it uses that hook and loop with a piece of Velcro on the actual unit to grip onto it, and that stops it from sliding around. So a good way to look at it is those sanding discs that you don't put on your random onboard sander anymore because they're just a little bit too dull to be used. You can throw them on this and potentially get a little more life out of them. All right, so we'll get the box open and then take a look at exactly how this works. This is the sanding block in all its glory. It comes in at around 35mm wide and 130 long. It's got this rubber pad on the bottom. This is one of the inserts that you can use. This is just the flat one, but then you've also got this concave one, concave, convex. I think this is the concave, and then you've also got a convex, and you can just interchange them by just pulling it off and placing the new one in. So it's as simple as that. Now you'll notice on the sides and on the top it's got that hook and loop system, so the sanding disc will just wrap around it and hook onto that. This pack actually comes with a 150 grit pad. The interchangeable inserts or pads are actually a soft rubber. I didn't realize that. I thought they were just going to be hard plastic, but they're a soft rubber, which is great because that's going to help you just get over those small ridges. And the other cool thing is that it's going to grip the paper a bit better. If it was a hard plastic, obviously it would just slide around. So that's kind of neat. So the SandPlane from Milescraft, pretty simple concept, would do well in just about any woodworking shop. Yeah, it's a pretty cool tool. As always, there will be a link down below in the description to Timbecon's website where you can pick up one of these. And if you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with more Cool Tool Tuesday videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you won't miss out. Thanks again for watching, everybody. My name is Robin Lewis. I hope you've enjoyed my company. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.